Okay, so on this video, I'm going to look at the correlation coefficient and how we use the new calculator to find that. And I have a ream of data here that I'm going to input into it and then find the correlation coefficient for that data. So, as usual, we turn our calculator on and we're going to just press home. So if we were in calculate to begin with as normal, we would press home and then we go statistics. We're putting in a 2 variable because we're putting in an X and a Y. And now it's just a matter of inputting your data and pressing execute, and that takes you down to the next column. So I'm going to put in all my X data. It's going to take me a second. 15, 13, 12, 14. So I then press my right arrow button across, and then I press the bottom arrow button. That takes me right back up to the top. So now I put in the data that I have that's related to that. So again, let's put in the data and press execute or equals to 20. And the last bit of information is 17. So now I've executed and inputted all my data. So what happens next is as follows. I press execute again. Now that brings me up to the results page. So I need to find the correlation coefficient. So I'm going to go down to red results and then press the right arrow button. I'm looking for the equation of a line. So y is equal to a plus bx. That is the one we're after. So we just press OK. And now we see we have 3 bits of information on the screen. We have the a, the b, and the r. So the b is related to the slope. The a is where it hits the y-axis. But the r is the one we're after, so the r is the correlation coefficient, and in this case it's 0.865, and it continues on. You'll be asked to give it maybe in maybe to 2 decimal places or 1 decimal place. Remember, correlation coefficient can only be between -1 and +1. Okay, so that is how we find the correlation coefficient on the new calculator.